Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Porsche 356, first introduced in 1948, holds a special place in automotive history as the brand's inaugural production car. Its lightweight, rear-engine, rear-wheel drive configuration, available in both hardtop and convertible forms, set the standard for sports car design. The 356's aerodynamic curves and engineering excellence quickly garnered a dedicated following among driving enthusiasts. In 2025, Porsche has reimagined this iconic model, blending its timeless design with modern technology to create a vehicle that pays homage to its heritage while embracing the future. The new 356 retains the classic silhouette that made the original a legend, featuring sleek lines and a low-slung profile that exude elegance and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 356 boasts an all-electric powertrain, delivering instant torque and exhilarating acceleration. This eco-friendly approach aligns with contemporary trends towards sustainability without compromising the driving experience that Porsche enthusiasts expect. The electric motor provides a seamless and quiet ride, yet offers the spirited performance reminiscent of its combustion engine predecessor. Inside, the cabin is a harmonious blend of retro-inspired design and cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials, such as premium leather and brushed aluminium, adorn the interior, providing a luxurious feel. The dashboard features a minimalist layout, with a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system that supports the latest connectivity options. Despite its modern amenities, the interior design pays tribute to the original 356, with elements like the classic three-spoke steering wheel and round air vents. The driving dynamics of the 2025 356 have been meticulously engineered to offer a balanced and engaging experience. The placement of the battery pack ensures a low center of gravity, enhancing handling and stability. Advanced suspension systems and responsive steering provide precise control, making each drive a pleasure, whether navigating city streets or winding country roads. Safety features have not been overlooked in this modern iteration. The 2025 356 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These technologies work seamlessly to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety without detracting from the pure driving experience. The exterior color palette offers a range of options, from classic hues that echo the original 356 to contemporary shades that appeal to modern tastes. Customization options allow owners to tailor the vehicle to their preferences, ensuring that each 356 is as unique as its driver. In terms of performance, the electric powertrain delivers impressive acceleration, propelling the 356 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The vehicle's range is competitive, allowing for extended journeys without frequent recharging. Fast charging capabilities ensure that when a recharge is necessary, it can be accomplished swiftly, minimizing downtime. The 2025 Porsche 356 is not just a car, it's a statement of Porsche's commitment to honoring its legacy while embracing innovation. It offers a driving experience that is both nostalgic and forward-looking, capturing the essence of what makes a Porsche truly special. For those who appreciate the blend of classic design and modern performance, the 2025 Porsche 356 represents a compelling choice. It stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of Porsche's design philosophy and its ability to evolve with the times while staying true to its roots. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche 356 is a remarkable fusion of past and present, offering a driving experience that honors its storied heritage while embracing the advancements of modern technology. It's a vehicle that will undoubtedly resonate with both longtime Porsche enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers seeking a connection to automotive history. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, The 2025 Porsche 356 serves as a reminder of the timeless appeal of thoughtful design and engineering excellence. It's a car that not only looks back at where Porsche has been but also forward to where the brand is heading, making it a truly iconic addition to the Porsche lineup. Whether you're drawn to its classic aesthetics, impressed by its modern performance, or appreciative of its blend of both, the 2025 Porsche 356 offers something for every car enthusiast. It's a car that invites you to experience the joy of driving in its purest form, all while embracing the future of automotive innovation. In the end, the 2025 Porsche 356 is more than just a car. It's a bridge between eras, a symbol of how far we've come and a glimpse into where we're going. It's a celebration of Porsche's legacy and a bold statement of its future, making it a truly remarkable vehicle in every sense. So, whether you're a long-time fan of the original 356 or new to the Porsche family, the 2025 Porsche 356 offers an experience that's both familiar and excitingly new. It's a car that captures the heart and ignites the imagination, proving that true classics never go out of style, they evolve. In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, the 2025 Porsche 356 stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of combining the best of the past with the innovations of the present. It's a car that honors its heritage while looking boldly to the future, offering a driving experience that's truly timeless. The 2025 Porsche 356 is a car that speaks to the soul of driving enthusiasts, offering a connection to a rich history while providing the thrills of modern performance. It's a car that embodies the spirit of Porsche, a brand that has always been synonymous with driving pleasure, innovation, and timeless design. In the 2025 Porsche 356, Porsche has created a car that is both a tribute to its past and a statement of its future. It's a car that will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on all who have the pleasure of experiencing it, solidifying its place as an icon in the automotive world. The 2025 Porsche 356 is a testament to the brand's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots. It's a car that offers a unique blend of classic design and modern technology, providing a driving experience that is both nostalgic and exhilarating. The backside of the 2025 Porsche 356 perfectly blends classic inspiration with modern design elements. Staying true to its heritage, the rear maintains the signature curvaceous shape of the original 356, with smooth, flowing lines that create an aerodynamic and timeless silhouette. However, Porsche has integrated contemporary touches to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. At the top, a subtle yet distinctive rear grille pays homage to the air-cooled engine vents found on the original 356. While no longer necessary for cooling, it serves as a nod to Porsche's rich history. Just below it, a sleek, full-width LED light bar stretches across the rear, seamlessly integrating modern lighting technology with a retro feel. This lighting setup provides excellent visibility while emphasizing the car's width and aggressive stance. The rear bumper is minimalist, featuring integrated air vents that enhance aerodynamics. The classic twin exhaust pipes have been replaced by a smooth, diffuser-like lower section, as the 2025 Porsche 356 is fully electric. This clean and sculpted design reinforces the car's futuristic approach while maintaining the purity of the original. A subtle ducktail-style rear lip spoiler adds a sporty touch, improving downforce at higher speeds. The Porsche badging is elegantly placed at the center, just above the license plate area, with a refined chrome or black finish, depending on trim options. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Porsche 356 is a perfect fusion of vintage charm and cutting-edge design. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.